Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp wallpaper. Let's change our WhatsApp wallpaper. You want to change the look of our WhatsApp? Let's go straight. So what you need to do is open your WhatsApp. For now, this is my, you can see there's not any exactly wallpaper here. So I'm going to change my wallpaper to something nice and friendly. Now let's go there. You go click on this three dot line, then you click on settings. And when you reach your settings, click on your chart. This is it. Click on chart. When you click on chart, then you see your wallpaper. Click on wallpaper, and this is it. So just click on change. Now you can see my photos. These are your photos. You want to change anything from your picture, just click on my photos. You want to change from anything bright from the phone on anything dark or anything solid color. Let me just show. Let me see. I think I love this. Just click on this and you can see it has changed. Just click on set wallpaper and you want to choose from your phone. You come here, click on your phone, and you can just browse through your phone and just click on it, and you can just, let me show you. Also click on it like this. Once you click on this, you can see it is changed. Just set as wallpaper, but I'm not gonna use this now, so I'm going to use from here now. Just come here and click on this, and I'm going to say set as wallpaper, and now I have set it as my wallpaper, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about.